This is for our soldiers, our daughters, and our sons. And today is March 11th, 2022. Daughters and sons. To our soldiers, our daughters and sons, our strength, our hope, our shining beacons of what we be. When set free to wail on the enemy, should they strive to take our way of life, the way we choose to live, the way we be. Our soldiers, our daughters and sons, be bold in your revelry, strike fear in the enemy. Don't kneel for any that say we cannot be free. Yell fire, yell fear into the hearts of those who don't know. You are the soldiers of daughters and sons. We'd die with you if others would run. Feel us in your darkest need. Think of us and how we need our soldiers, our daughters and sons to come home and be with us and feel the free you preserved for us all who love you thus. Come home, come home, come home, with all your brothers and sisters too, our soldiers, our daughters and sons. Come home and be with us. And feel the free, feel the life of not taking a knee, to live your life free till the next call is heard for your soldiers, your daughters and sons, to walk the same road you walked for us. By Ricardo Roman. Thank you to all the soldiers. Thank you to our daughters and sons. May God protect, preserve you and our country. Come back to your families and to us. Be safe, be well, be loved. God bless.